Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Welcome back again. As I said, I have another Kmart haul. I've got some eBay items, I've got some random items that I picked up, I think, from Kohl's. But anyway, we're going to dive right on in. I didn't think I was actually going to film this video today because I'm currently ready for Kira's 21st birthday party, which is tonight, which is why I'm a little bit more glam, per se. I've actually done my hair for once. My god, I know. And I'm actually looking half decent. Wow. But anyway, I'm going to dive right on in, show you the stuff from Kmart. And yeah, it's going to be a haul. It's exciting. First up are from eBay. I've got this really pretty Miss Rose highlighter. It is absolutely a beautiful. Look how stunning that is. I'm pretty sure I haven't shown you guys this in previous hauls. I don't go back and watch them, so I do apologize if there's a couple of dupes, but I don't think there is. But excuse me with my batshit brain. But you know, but that's pretty. It's from eBay. Really pretty. Another one from eBay is this Pop Feel palette. Perfect eyeshadow palette, it's called. I think I paid, I'm not even sure how much I paid for it. I think it was like $5, $4 or $5. Okay, packaging when I can't get into it. Comes in this little dinky plasticky container. Package, container. Here we are. But look at the colours. And they're actually quite pigmented. I've swatched them. If you guys want me to do a review, let me know. I can certainly do that. But look, that's not bad. Really pretty. Again, I think $5. I like makeup. It's really pretty lipstick. It's called Think Pink, the shade, and I picked it up from a local chemist near me. Really pretty shade. Quite pigmented too, and they're like meant to be a cruelty-free brand, which is good to know. They do like a whole range of makeup as well, so I'm going to delve into their makeup that they carry because I think it'd be fun to like try out different brands that aren't really known about. But I also like the packaging. I think I paid $2 for it on clearance, so I like lippy. Kmart, I picked up the fragrance-free facial wipes 30-pack. I like fragrance-free. I've got sensitive skin. I think these were like $1, $2 maybe. Not sure. Cheap. 30. What else can I say? They're makeup wipes. Couple of things from OXX from Kmart. Already 2 of them I'm sorely disappointed in. Like, they were fucking horrible. Tried to do a video, trashed the video because it looked disgusting. Do not get this foundation. This is meant to be ivory. It's not ivory. It looked like poo, literal poo on my face. Wasn't good. And I also got the concealer. It also looked like poo on my face, but in concealer form. However, I am wearing this today, and this is really pretty. It's the illuminator. I don't know if you can quite tell how glowy I am, but you guys know that I love a good pinky highlighter, and I think it's only $4, so that's always good. Love a bargain. Kmart also stocks the brand Starlet, as does Kohl's. But anyway, I picked up this blush. I've already been using it. I absolutely love this blush. It's Autumn Glow, the shade. So pretty. Just a really natural, pretty blush. I paid like $2.50 for it on clearance. And it looks really natural on my skin tone. I just love this blush. And then I'm going to get into the homeware-ish stuff that I bought. So I do Instagram and flat lays and whatnot, so in the theme of that, I picked up placemat. It only cost like $1.50. and it looks really pretty in my photos. I have silver as well. I'm going to pick up another one of them. But I like this the gold. I wish they did a rose gold. I think that'd be really pretty. And then Melissa Bubbles inspired me to get this because she had it in her last Kmart haul. The leaf. So, I think it's cool. I think this was $3, but I had to have it. I thought it was cute. And it looks good. In like the Easter section, they had this little lammy. I thought he was so cute. I got him for my partner Ash. So, it's only $3. They've got like rabbits and chicks and things like that. So I picked up the lammy. Super cute. One more item from OXX that I forgot. It's the exfoliating treatment, lip treatment in contains kiwi seed. They've got like different flavors and whatnot. So I picked up that. I thought that'd be fun to try. And then I actually bought a fashion item. I've got this in bone. It's a visor. I think it's bone color, but it's like a straw color. They're really good because like hats on me. I've got a big head. I don't like normal hats. They don't look good on me. So this, I think, yeah, does the job. And I paid, what did I pay? I paid $2 on clearance, and it's normally $7. So I was happy about that. And I've got 2 more items from Kohl's. I lied, 3 more items. I forgot to pick this up. The L'Oreal mud mask. I'm obsessed with mud masks. I think I've got about 8 in my collection that I'm rotating through at the moment. Literally obsessed. This one's really, really good, by the way. I've tried it a couple of times. I like it a lot. So I picked that one up from Kohl's. I also picked this up by Rimmel. It's the Pro Eyebrow Brush. Use it on my brows today. It's actually pretty good, and my brows don't look half bad because you guys know the struggle is real with my brows. They're not actually looking that slug-like, which I'm impressed with. I don't know, maybe. And last but not least, I picked up this because Rimmel had I think it was 50% off or 40% off. But anyway, I needed another one of these. I ran out of the other one. It was a good setting spray. I like it. I like Rimmel. That's basically my haul. Alright guys, I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell button. And I'll see you guys soon.